are a few new pharmacy finds you need to know about. First of all, my brows. Rimmel Kind and Free Brow Wax. I'm really impressed with it. It's so strong. It actually outperforms some of the more expensive brands. Natio have launched these Shine From Within eye palettes. Favorite is the liquid amber, golden citrine. I think this is very wearable. Weleda, one of my favorites. Obsessed with Weleda Skin Food, one of my favorite all-time products and affordable too. They've got their firming facial range out. I love the firming facial oil. The firming night cream is beautiful too. I had a facial with these products and they were just so decadent and indulgent, but so natural as well. I love how pure, they're all biodynamic, gorgeous products. The Quick Flick, such an innovative brand. Serum, primer and sunscreen in one. It feels really hydrating. Good old Dr. Lewin's. They've come out with a daily cleansing balm. Melts off all your makeup and then you can rinse it down the drain. So Palmer's is the #1 stretch marks brand. Honey butter for stretch marks is a cult favorite. The oil is amazing too.